Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and who else is with me?
Alexander.
Alexander's with me, and we are making something that he loves today. What are we making?
Mac and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese, and I'm going to show you my fast way to make it. I've never really written this recipe down. You just watch me do it, and then you go do it yourself. We're going to pick out our shells right now, and I brought different kinds for Alex to pick. We've got the trio, which has the corkscrews, the shells, and the columns, and then we've got the shells. So look at these. Which ones do you want to make today? Do you think you want to eat? You want to do that one? These are the medium shells. So we're going to go get these put in some salted water.
Oh,
And you know what you have to do on macaroni and cheese? You have to read the bag and you have to see how long it's got to cook. We're going to cook this whole bag, which is 12 ounces. And we've got to cook it for, what does it say?
1 minute.
For 11 to 12 minutes. And we've already put salt in it. And this thing tells you how much salt to put in it. Y'all read the bag of your pasta. So I'm going to go drop this in the water that we've got boiling on top of the stove. And I'll pull it back over here in 12 minutes. All right? Are we ready for mac and cheese?
Yep.
See you in a minute.
Oh,
All right, what we're going to do right now, I've got to drain the noodles, but you've got to cut the butter because we're going to add it to it. So you cut the butter with this knife that I got for you.
Yep.
This is a kid knife.
And everybody gets to use it.
Well, okay. Well, you start cutting it in little slices while I do that, okay? All right, see you shortly.
How am I doing?
You are doing great. I think you're doing great.
A little help.
Just keep going. You're about to start dropping them in here. I'm draining the shells, draining the shells. And you are chopping the butter, right?
I put my hand on the top of it to cut it down.
That's okay. Do you need something to put over it?
No, I look what I
see it. There you go.
I usually do this.
Okay. Well, here comes the shells. We got this right here. Now you can start putting those pieces of butter right in here.
Can I have a fork to do that one?
A fork? You need a fork.
Oh, let me just.
Here, I'll put it in there. Can you just pick that butter up and throw it in there? Very good.
Can I taste that little piece?
I'll give you a little piece in a second, okay? Let's get through doing this. Okay, we got to get butter going in here. Let me help you just a smidge.
No, I don't need one.
You don't need help?
Look at this.
Here.
I just cut that little piece so I don't.
Now drop it, flick it in there. Very good. Okay, do it again. Do fat pieces.
Like this?
Like, yes. Very good. Do another fat piece. Those are too skinny. We're going to be here until Jesus comes. Okay. Give me fat pieces of butter.
How's that?
Oh, we'll drop that big fat one in there. Okay. Cut this into a little bite because I know you want a taste of the butter, and I'll take the rest of it. Okay. You can, don't put it all in your mouth at once. Just taste it. He wants a taste of the butter. And this is real butter, and it is salted. What does it taste like?
A little salt.
A little salt.
A little sugar.
Uh-huh.
A little crispy.
A little crispy. I don't know if it's crispy.
That is.
All right, the next thing we got to do is add a couple of cups of cheese.
I really love cheese.
This is the 4-cheese blend. It's Monterey Jack, cheddar, and queso.
I love cheese.
Okay, you do want cheese in it?
Yes.
Don't fall. All right, we got to pour it in there. Can you do that?
All of it?
All of it. It's 2 cups. Just let it go, baby boy. And while you're doing that, and that's all, you start stirring and don't touch the pan. And I'm going to add about
milk.
Milk.
I love milk.
So I added about a half a cup, maybe 3/4, and we're just going to stir this up. This is how I do it, y'all. And you guys stir faster than that. There you go. There you go. And that's got to melt. This is my quick mac and cheese. And I have more recipes for mac and cheese, and all my tried and true ones are in my cookbook, Happiness is Homemade.
Yep.
You can find it on Amazon.
Or put on Amazon Prime.
Okay, let me stir this a minute and see if we need more cheese.
Does it come on Amazon Prime? Amazon Prime? Does it come on Amazon Prime?
Well, it comes on Amazon. I don't know about all that stuff. Okay, it's just on Amazon. All right, we got to add a little bit more cheese. So I have some cheddar here.
I'm a cheese man.
Okay, pour it in. We're going to do half of that. So we're going to end up with about 3 cups
A cheese.
of cheese. Okay, whoa, baby. All right, start stirring. And this is not hot. This is one of the...
I flip some out.
That's okay. We'll handle it. Can you stir? When you get tired, let me know when I'll stir.
My arm's getting tired.
Okay, is your arm getting
But
tired?
no, not this one, no.
Okay, we'll do that one.
Oh, this pie is not hot.
It's not hot, is it?
No, I can touch it now.
Okay. All right, let me have a little gander at it.
Oh, my hand.
Is your hand?
Look, it's red.
It got red, didn't it? All right, now we got to do a taste on this and see if we need to add any salt. Okay?
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay. And y'all know the cheese is salty.
Yeah.
And the butter was salty. So we're going to see if we actually need any salt when this gets melted, because it's not melted yet.
But I'm going to try the mac and cheese because the mac and cheese always needs a little.
Okay, hang on. Let me get it in a plate. Don't stick it in there. You got your fork?
Yep, got the fork.
Okay, yeah, don't be slinging it around. Okay. This is getting melted.
Get a lot of mac and cheese, please.
Lots of mac and cheese, please. We're going to taste it and see if we need a little
Bit of salt.
Ooh, yeah. Let me get me one. Oh, that looks so good. You going to get it?
I'm trying.
Scoop it up. There you go. Here, you be still and I'll put it on your fork. Okay, hang on. Does it or does it not?
Need some salt.
Need salt?
Yeah, does it have any salt?
Here, you eat that and I'll go get the salt.
Okay.
Don't mess with that, okay?
I know.
You eat that.
Yummy. Hello, everybody. It needs some salt, so I'm getting some salt. When I eat some cheese.
There we go. I think that'll just about do it. Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, everybody.
It's got pieces of cheese in there. Yum.
Everybody, I know. If you're thinking it's on Amazon Prime.
Well, don't worry about that. Let's just say it's on Amazon. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You want any more of this? You want some more?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get that plate over
Hey,
here.
I have to get my appy.
There we go. Look at that, y'all. That cheese is all melty in there. It's hot. We got those good noodles. It's creamy. It is what we want, isn't it, Alexander?
Yes.
Are you eating yours?
Yep.
Okay, let me grab another
Wait for you.
plate for me. Because somebody's eating all of it. Who's eating all of it? All right, here it is. This is my fast and easy mac and cheese, okay?
And I'm eating sauerkraut. I know it's so much cooking.
Okay, I'm going in. Look at this, y'all. Look at that cheese dripping.
Look at mine. Mine doesn't have salt. Mine doesn't have salt on
You
it.
need a little more?
Remember when you did the salt and then you did that?
I did.
You didn't do that.
Well,
Remember?
do you want me to get the pepper and do it?
No, I don't want pepper.
I'm not putting pepper in it. The way you make it do it, what he's talking about is,
Yeah.
without having to shake it, if you get your pepper and you get your salt, turn your salt over. Oops. And if you rub the bottom, it'll come out easy. Okay?
Yeah, like if you.
Because they're opposites. But we can't show it anymore. We got too much salt in here.
Yeah, too much salt. It'll die.
But anyway, it's going to be really good. All right, I'm getting me some more of this. All right, let's call Uncle David. I bet he's going to want some, you think? Before he takes you out to see the cows.
And
All right.
you.
I know, we're going to. Let's tell them what we always tell them. Are you ready? The good Lord loves you and
We love you too.
we love you too. Y'all gonna make you some mac and cheese. Y'all gonna love it.
And don't forget the cornbread.
Don't forget to make cornbread with it. All right, we'll see you later.
And sauerkraut.
Love you. Bye-bye.